Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss some problems for practice by using Lagrange interpolation formula, and this is the second lecture of 8th week for the course numerical analysis. Dear students, we have already discussed this topic, Lagrange interpolation formula, that Lagrange interpolation formula used for interpolation a polynomial when an unequal space data is given. So suppose we have some points x0, x1 up to xn, and these are the n plus 1 distinct numbers or distinct points, and f is a function whose values are given at these numbers. Then a unique polynomial p of x of degree at most n exists with y of k is equal to f of xk is equal to p of xk, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to n. And this Lagrange polynomial, is given by this Lagrange formula L0 of x f of x0 plus L1 of x f of x1 plus and so on plus Ln of x f of xn. And similarly we know that f of x0 mean y0, f of x1 mean y1, f of x2 mean y2. So we can write the formula in this simple form. P of x is a polynomial, and this polynomial is given by the Lagrange formula L0 of x y0 plus L1 of x y1 plus L2 of x y2 plus and so on plus Ln of x yn. Now L0, L1, L2 up to Ln are function of x. In these function of x is given by this formula for each k is equal to 0, 1 up to n. Lk of x is equal to x minus x0 into x minus x1 up to x minus xk minus 1 into x minus xk plus 1 up to x minus xn, divided by xk minus x0 into xk minus x1 up to xk minus 1 into xk minus xk plus 1 up to xk minus xn. And the general form of this L function is given by Lk of x is equal to product of I is equal to 0 and j does not equal to k up to n x minus xi divided by xk minus xi. Now Lk of x is equal to 1 for I is equal to k, and Lk of xi is equal to 0 where I does not equal to k. Now suppose we have some points for x minus 1, 1, 2 and 3, and for x minus 1 the y value is minus 8, for x is equal to 1 the y value is minus 2, for x is equal to 2 the y value is 2, for x is equal to 3 the y value is 28. Now dear students, note that this is an unequal space data. Now how to find a polynomial for this data? So we can use Lagrange interpolation formula for this data. But dear students, this point is very important, that Lagrange interpolation formula working for equal space data also. So when the data is equal space data or unequal space data, we can use the data for Lagrange interpolation polynomial. So Lagrange interpolation formula for this data, now p of x is equal to L0 of x y0 plus L1 of x y1 plus L2 of x into y2 plus L3 of x y3. This is equation number 1, and this is the required Lagrange interpolation formula. But L0, L1, L2 and L3 are unknown. So in the next step we are going to find L0, L1, L2 and L3. This is the value of Y0, this is the value of Y1, this is Y2 and this is Y3, but we have not L0, L1, L2 and L3. So first of all, to find L0 by this formula. How to find L0? Skip x0 from the numerator and subtract x1, x2, x3 from x minus x1, x minus x2 and to x minus x3, and multiplying these three factors. Now subtract x1, x2 and x3 from the x0. X minus x0, x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2 and x0 minus x3. So putting the value of x1, this is x1, x2 and x3, x minus x1, x minus x2 and x minus x3. Now subtract x1, x0, x3 from x1, x2 and x3 from x0. So this is the value of x0, x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2 and x0 minus x3. And after simplifications, multiplied these three factors and then simplify, we can obtain the L0 is equal to x cube minus x square plus 11x minus x divided by minus 24. Now for L1, don't write x1 in the numerator and subtract x0, x2 and x3 from the x, and then subtract x0, x2, x3 from x1. So x1 will be equal to x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3. So for x1, dear students, note that for L1, do not write x1 in the numerator and subtract all remaining x's, x0, x2 and x3, all remaining value of x from x1 in the denominator. Do not write x1 in the numerator for L1 and write x1 in the denominator and subtract all remain x values from this x1. So x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2 and x1 minus x3. If we write in the numerator x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3, then this x0 will be subtract from x1, this x2 from x1, this x3 from x1. So this is the L1 formula. Now putting the value of x0, x2 and x3 in the numerator, we obtain x plus 1 into x minus x2, x minus x3, and the value of x1 is 1 in the given table and the value of x0 is minus 1. So 1 minus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 2 and 1 minus 3. Now multiplying these three factors and then multiplied these three factors, and after simplifications we obtain L1 is equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 divided by 4. Now to find L2, for L2 do not write x2 in the numerator and subtract all remaining values of x from x. So x minus x0, x minus x1 and x minus x3 divide by. Now subtract all remaining x values from the x2 in the denominator. x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3. Now since the value of x0 is minus 1, so x minus 1 plus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1 and x minus 3. This is the value of x1 and this is the value of x0. The value of x0 is minus 1, so minus plus, so x minus mean x plus 1 and the value of x1 is 1, x minus 1, the value of x3 is 3, x minus x3. Now this is the value of x2. The value of x2 is 2, so 2 minus 1 plus 1 and 2 minus 1, 2 minus 2. Now after simplifications we obtain L2 is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3 divided by minus 3. Now for L3, do not write x3 in the numerator and subtract remaining x values from the x minus x0, x minus x1 and x minus x2. For L3, do not write x3 in the numerator and subtract all other remaining x from the x. So x minus x naught, subtract all remaining values of x which is given in the table from this x. So x minus x naught, x minus x1 and x minus x2. And now subtract x naught, x1 and x2 from the x3 in the denominator. x3 minus x naught into x3 minus x1 into x3 minus x2. So dear students, for L3, note that for L3 do not write x3 in the numerator and subtract remaining x values which is given in the table from this x minus x naught, x minus x1 and x minus x2. And now write x3 in the denominator and subtract x naught, x1 and x2 from this x3. x3 minus x naught into x3 minus x1 into x3 minus x2. Now putting the value of x naught, the value of x naught is minus 1, so minus minus plus 1. The value of x1 is 1, so x minus 1. The value of x2 is 2, so x minus x2 divide by the value of x3 is 3 in the table, so 3 minus minus x naught value minus 1, minus minus plus 1, and x3 value minus 3, x3 value minus 3, x1 value is 1, so 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 2. This is the value of x2. Now multiplying these three factors and multiplying these three factors, then simplify, we obtain L3 is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 divided by 8. Now putting the value of L0, L1, L2 and L3 and this equation number 1 and this equation number 1, and the value of y0, y1, y2 and y3, we obtain the Lagrange interpolation formula is, this is polynomial in function, this is a polynomial in variable x and domain x. A polynomial of x is equal to, this is the value of L0 and this is the value of y0. X cube minus x square plus 11x minus 6 divided by minus 24 into, this is the value of y0, plus this is the value of L1 into y1. This is the value of L2 and this is the value of y2. This is the value of L3 and this is the value of y3. Now to simplify, 8 3 the 24, 2 to the 4, so 2 to the 4 and plus minus minus, this is minus 8 3 the 24, you see here minus or minus cancel, minus minus plus, and 8 3 the 24, so divide this term divide by 3. Now 2 to the 4, so the second expression is divided by 2 and plus minus minus, this is minus, and the third expression is, it is 4 by 3, and the last expression is you see here 28 multiplied 28 divided by 8, so 4 to the 8 and 4 7 the 28. Now again next simplifications, taking the LCM of these two expressions and the LCM of these two expressions. For the sake of simplifications, first of all take the LCM of these two terms and take the LCM of these two terms. We obtain, you see here 2x cube minus 12x square plus 22x minus 12 minus 3x square plus 12x square minus 3x minus 18 divided by 6. Now the LCM of the remaining two terms, these two terms, so the LCM of these two terms is also 6. Now we obtain minus 8x cube plus 24x square plus 8x minus 24 plus 11x cube minus 42x square minus 21x plus 20 plus 42 divided by 6. Now operate the like terms, like you see here 2x cube minus 3x cube minus 8x cube and plus 21x cube, we get 12x cube divided by 6, whole LCM, not taking the whole LCM of these two terms. This is first expression and this is the second expression. So the LCM of these two, you see here the denominator is same, so we can add, subtract directly the like terms, and the LCM will be 6. So 12x cube divided by 6, and combine the like term of x power 2, we obtain minus 18x square divided by 6, and like term of x we obtain 6x divided by 6, and constant term minus 12 divided by 6. You see here this is one constant term, minus 12, minus 18, and minus 24, and plus 42. We obtain minus 12 divided by 6. Now 6 to the 12, 2x cube, 6 3 the 18, minus 3x square, 6 or 6 cancel, 6 and 6 cancel, minus 6 to the 12. Now this is the polynomial for the given data. This polynomial has degree 3. Now dear students, you can check, you can verify this polynomial by the given domain value. So suppose we want to put the value of x is equal to 1 in this polynomial to check the polynomial, to verify the polynomial. So putting the value of x is equal to 1, so 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus 1 minus 2, and after simplifications minus 2 and 2 cancel, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, and you see here in the table for x is equal to 1 the value of y is minus 2. Similarly, if we put x is equal to minus 1 in the polynomial, we obtain minus 8. If we put x is equal to 2 in the polynomial, we obtain y is equal to 4, and if we put x is equal to 3, we obtain y value 28. So this is the Lagrange interpolation formula, and for the interpolation formula we can put any value of x in this interval from minus 1 to 3. We can put any value lies in this interval. So for example, if we put x is equal to 1.5, 1.5 lies in this domain, so this is actually called the interpolation. So if we put x is equal to 1.5 in this polynomial, we get a new value of y, and this is actually called interpolation polynomial. And this formula in this polynomial is a polynomial which we obtain by using Lagrange interpolation formula. And this is the end of this segment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.